Hello, I'm Brienne and welcome to today's video all about What's Up Beauty. It's a sister brand to What's Up Nails, which you might have heard of before. They sent me their Desert Monsoon Collection, which is the launch of the brand, and it includes an eyeshadow palette, 6 nail polishes, and 6 eyeshadow brushes. Be sure to check the description box for all the information about this collection. In today's video, I'll be showing you swatches of everything and also show you how I did this eye look using the new palette. But first, let's start with the nail polishes.
When the sky is filled with stars and the night is falling down, have a look, it's all around. There's no limits between us. I feel extraterrestrial tonight. We walk along this killing light. I feel like I'm losing all my mind, but I'll be alright, yeah. La 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 la, I feel so la 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 la. I'm too close, la 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 la. Don't get it, la 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 la. Let's dance all night. We can hit the special waves. I feel it underneath my skin. Can we pretend that we alone and nothing could hold us? This rhythm inside will lead you to a place you've never been. So come with me in this atmosphere. Let's listen to the beat. La 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 la. I feel so la 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 la. I'm to the sky. La 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 la. Get it. La 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 la. Let's dance all night.
And here's what the collection looks like all together. What do you think and which one's your favorite? Let me know down below. Now let's take a look at the matching eyeshadow palette. It includes 12 shades that, of course, match the nail polishes. And I'm going to show you an up-close look at each shade right now. And then we'll take a look at some arm swatches. And then finally, I'll show you an up-close look at all the brushes. comes the part of the video that I was the most nervous and reluctant to film, but you know, trying to get out of my comfort zone and push myself a little bit here. So I'm going to show you how I did this eye look using the new palette, and of course I used all of their brushes for this look as well. If you want to know any of the other products that I used for this look, you can check the description box, or you can look at the picture to the right of each video clip that shows what product I'm using at that point in the tutorial. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this, and if you do, maybe I can do it again sometime, you know, matching nail art to eye look, because I think it's really fun. And without further ado, here it goes. I think I rambled long enough, so yeah, enjoy!
Oh my god, what an injustice. You just check your watch and my love wasn't enough, yeah. Oh my god, what an injustice. You don't even know someone love you this much, yeah. Oh my, oh my, oh my, someone love you this much, yeah. Oh my, oh my, oh my, said my love wasn't enough, yeah. Said my love wasn't enough, yeah. How come you're an angel but you're throwing out a dove, yeah. Said I wasn't what you need. I just had a vision of you falling on your knees. Don't say my name screaming. I thought I was dreaming. Holy shit, I'm feeling bad for you right now. Don't say my name screaming. Maybe I've been dreaming. Holy shit, I'm feeling bad for you right now. For you right now. For you right now. Oh my god, who do I trust? I just probably dodged someone who wasn't enough, yeah. Oh my god, what an injustice. Don't even deserve someone love you this much, yeah. Oh my, oh my, oh my, someone love you this much, yeah. Oh my, oh my, oh my, said my love wasn't enough, yeah. Said my love wasn't enough, yeah. How come you're an angel but you're throwing out a dove, yeah. Said I wasn't what you need. I just had a vision of you falling on your knees. Don't say my name screaming. I thought I was dreaming. Holy shit, I'm feeling bad for you right now. Don't say my name screaming. Maybe I've been dreaming. Holy shit, I'm feeling bad for you right now. For you right now. For you right now.
Well, that's all I have for you today, so thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!